How to fix call recording option not showing on Android phones. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch phone app on your phone. Now tap three dots at top right corner and then select settings option. From the settings section, you need to simply find Wi-Fi calling, and if it is turned on, toggle the button off. And after that, you will find call recording option on the space and you can easily tap on it call recording. If this doesn't work for you, you need to make sure to clear cache and force stop the phone app. For that, tap and hold on phone application and select I button. Now you will land on this app info page where you have to choose storage uses and tap clear cache. Come back and then select force stop. Tap force stop, and once you have done that, you need to check whether the issue resolved or not. If not, you need to go to the settings app. Scroll down and you have to find the option of receipts. If you don't find this way, select the search bar. Type in receipts. And here you will see the list of all the receipt options. So select Reset All Settings. Then tap Reset All Settings and then enter the lock screen password. And again tap on Reset All Settings. If the issue persists or remains, you need to simply contact Android support for assistance specific to your device model and software version. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.